So now let's see how we can work around with dust and scratches effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with dust and scratches, here you can see that I have an image right here. So I'm going to go around onto filter, and then I'm going to go around over here onto noise right here. And here you can see that dust and scratches is an option. So once I go around over here, then zoom in, this is my subject. As you can see right here, I can change around the threshold of the dust and scratches. I can change around the radius, as you can see right here, so I can really make the object soft right here. And I can also go around and change around the threshold right here to bring back the sharpness right here, just like this. I can change around the radius and then bring down the threshold right here, just like this, to get the effect that I want. So now you can see that I get a different kind of an effect right here, which actually brings back a lot of details right here. So go around over here and change around the threshold right here, just like this, and smoothen things out right here so that the image looks like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with dust and scratches effect inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.